This is the Kreg MPC, the Mobile Project Center. It's a workbench, sawhorse, assembly table and clamping station all in one. Now I've been using this for a while now and it's really added to my woodworking pleasure. So versatile whether on site or here in the workshop. It's extremely stable with its heavy duty steel legs and large non-slip feet that won't scratch your floor. With just under 500 kilogram load capacity in the center, 158 kgs on the sides, the table can withstand some serious loading and usage. The workbench easily collapses for quick, convenient storage or transportation. It weighs in at only 18 kilograms. Pick it up and go. The bench accommodates the Kreg Automax technology clamps. The Kreg bench clamp slides in the T-slot to clamp workpieces horizontally and flat on the table. Or you can use it vertically on the side to act as a bench vise. The unit does come with the bench clamp. There is also a slotted guide on the underside to accommodate Kreg face clamps, giving added clamping versatility. This is very handy as you can just slide from position to position. The bench comes with 4 bench dogs that can be placed in any one of the location holes to keep workpieces square and in position. They do have rubber tops, which is extremely handy when sanding boards. The location holes are compatible with the Kreg inline clamps too, making this bench overall perfect for Kreg joinery projects. When using this bench as a sawhorse, there's the option to secure a sacrificial board to the top using the track bushings. Alternatively, use the supplied support brackets for an expanded cutting table. This is ideal for cutting larger boards. It is primarily designed to be used with the American Imperial 2x4s and 3/4 inch plywood. Here in South Africa, we use slightly different metric sizes and you may need to chock up the timber to accommodate this variation. The hidden connection keys allow you to join and lock 2 or more Kreg workbenches together to increase your workbench size. Some additional features are alignment holes that secure the K4 and K5 jigs to the bench, 2 drill holsters, built-in storage trays, and a recessed edge to secure hardware containers, keeping everything close at hand. This bench makes remote site work more convenient, hassle-free, and a pleasure to assist in tackling jobs at hand. If you enjoyed this clip, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders Fan YouTube channel where there's a range of product reviews just like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate and be inspired.